All right, let's do some kamikaze shots. So you're gonna juice 1 lime. You can use a citrus press, you can use a juicer, you can just use man strength and use your hands. About 1 shot glass full of lime juice. 1 shot of vodka. 1 shot of triple sec. If you've noticed, it's a 1:1:1 ratio of vodka, triple sec, lime juice. Ice in a shaker. Now add your vodka, triple sec, and lime juice. Top it off. Give it a good shake until it's chill. Strain it out into those shot glasses. And then you're just gonna garnish them with a little bit of a lime wedge here. There you go. Cheers.